What's up YouTube, it's Louis here. I hope you're all well. We're finally taking a look at Hbar again. I just want to bring you guys attention to this video on the last Hbar video that I made. Unfortunately we didn't get to 50 likes. Let's properly push for that this time because not even 10% of you did like the video. We're also pushing for 5k subscribers on the channel, but I want to bring your attention to this because this was the last video I left you guys with, and we did actually have a massive pump after this. And what we were anticipating before this pump is actually, even if we do pump, we're anticipating some struggle and that we should actually continue lower. Let's check out that day's video. Close above this purple line tonight, and then you actually start going up towards this gold box. This is a key level of resistance going forward. So what should be expected is just further struggle basically, and you should actually continue down. And there you go guys. So I'm going to bring you over to today's update now, where we'll go through this in a bit more detail. But not only that, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment and share. But at the end of the video, there's a big discount on my course at the moment, a 50% discount that's going to last a week. But if you want more information on that, wait until the end of this video. If you just want to straight away, it's 50% off, I'm going to pull the trigger, I don't need to listen to it, let me just message Louis, head over to my Twitter, Louis_crypto, and we'll get you started as soon as possible. Don't forget, the price will increase back to its normal price of £300 on Monday. Thank you. There you go guys. So now we're going to take a look at Hbar, and that's exactly what we saw. I was saying if we're going to see a pump, it needs to have a close above this. We got the close and it pumped completely through the golden pocket. We did say we are anticipating some resistance here. That is what we got, but it actually came in terms of a fake out. So what had happened here is something that I really do not like. I've been talking about this with my students currently, my mentorship students, Ertan specifically from Italy. And I was basically saying, when we hit a resistance, we want to reject it at first. We don't want to break above a resistance. So for example here, you broke above this resistance without rejecting it at first. So you see you've gone through two key resistances. What I mean by a rejection first, can you see we've run into this resistance, we've come back down and then taken it out. So another example, let's find some more examples over here. So we've run into this resistance, we've come back down and then pumped. So pumping above the 20 was all fine, but it's eventually become a fake out over here because we didn't, hit the 55, come back down, form this higher low and then break above it, confirm it as support and head higher. So that's what we would have liked to have seen. But if you just seen in the video, I was saying what we can anticipate going forward is struggle, because this is key resistance. If we were to ever reclaim it, confirm it support, we're going to head back up to this high. However, if you're not confirming that as support, which unfortunately we didn't, and the reason is because Hbar unfortunately got too cocky in the sense that it wanted to explode and it wasn't doing the right things to keep it stable, to keep it continuously going up. It just had a quick burst without confirming key supports, without rejecting resistances first, forming higher lows and then validating the breakouts basically. Again, what we wanted to see, run into resistance, fall back, form a higher low. This low has to be higher than this one, and then attack and make a higher high, then flip this into support. That's exactly what we would have liked to have seen. You did not get that, and I'm explaining this. The reason why I'm talking about this, I'm explaining why we didn't get that, why this was a fake out, because we want to reject the resistance first, confirm that this is some sort of resistance, pull away from it. It's basically telling us this is a brick wall. Let's come away from this brick wall and then have another attempt. If you just break through it like butter, it usually results in a fake out. I want you guys to go check this out in your own trading, in your own time. If you appreciate that, like the video, subscribe. Again, we're trying to hit 5k subscribers. Let's push for 50 likes on this video. Thank you guys. But again, this is the main reason why this has become a fake out. And exactly as the video from last week explained, because of that, this is a lower high, and so you should expect a lower low below this. And this would be the case where you do actually come down to the 1618 target. You can see if we zoom into this wick low, this is the area we cannot lose at all. But you can see you've already, especially with the bodies, you can see that is the lowest body candle close right there, the red one. And yesterday's green candle reclaimed that level. So today, if you don't want to see further downside, you need to hold this 0.057 as support, and that's what's going to give you chances of going up. But again, these little EMAs over here, They're so close, but they are resistance. If you can get above them, that's amazing. But that's not what you should think is going to happen. We're below them. We got above them, amazing. But unfortunately, you went up too fast here. That's why we came back down and fell under. The fact we're back under this purple one is not good. You see, we were above the purple. Everything is all lovey-dovey. Going up, go under the purple, hitting it as resistance, going down. Okay? The fact we got above it is bullish until that point where we did a fake out, come back under, and now we're under the 20 EMA again. Just like when we went here, we went lower. So that's what you should anticipate, lower. And these are now your targets over here, 4.5 cent, 4.9 and 5.2 cent. However, if you're not closing below 5.7777 cent, then we're not going down. It's that one fib level that we can't afford to lose. I've been speaking about this on the channel for months and months and months, about this wick low over here on the monthly time frame. I know I don't make HBAR videos too often, but the ones that I do make are so key. You can go check them. But again, this is your wave one high. We can't lose this whatsoever. Okay, for HBAR going forward. That is 4.5 cent. That is also the 1618 target we are seeing at the moment right down here, 4.5 cent, and that's that wick low that we made earlier on in the year on the Binance chart. It's not appearing on other exchanges, but because Binance is the biggest, I'm going to take that wick as if it happened, because again, it's on the biggest exchange. So yeah, going forward, you want to hold this low, 5.777 cent. If you're closing below that, we're going to come and attack this wick over here. Thank you guys for listening. Again, I want to bring your attention to something very important on the channel. Over this next week until Monday, I'm going to be doing a crazy discount on my course. My course has 30 plus videos. You will have free lifetime access to these videos. There's 6 hours of content in these 30 plus videos that will go through step by step from someone that has zero knowledge whatsoever on trading. I'll even cover in the course, it even covers the history of Forex. There's some basics on Forex, then it moves over to crypto to give you confidence, so you have some backstory on the actual market. And then it will go into psychology, mindset, how to not revenge trade, these sorts of things. And it's because 90% of the time it's all emotional, it's all in your head, and only 10% of the time are you actually trading. And this is what I teach in my course. There are strategies that I've personally learned myself from my mentors and the courses that I had done, but also strategies that I've personally come up with by myself from just seeing other strategies, combining them, and then through my own experiences in the last 4 years, I can pile them up together. I've created my own EMA strategies and whatnot, and it's all tradable events. So all you need to do is head over to my Twitter, Louis_crypto, where we can speak more about this to get you started. Again, it's £150 until Monday, then it's going back to £300. So at the moment it is 50% off this week. You get my portfolio as well, so you can have a look at that, why I'm in certain cryptos. Not only that, you do get free Discord access to my Discord group chat until my bull market targets. That is where I'll put trades, investments, like the XRP trade we did in the last week, and XRP is currently up 30%. So amazing if you are in the chat and you profited from that. Not only that, I've obviously put my investments. I've put a specific range that I'm buying at, and that's in the group chat as well. All of this that I've spoken about today and more is included. There's over £10,000 worth of information. That includes the good courses, the good mentorships that I did, but unfortunately the bad courses and all the scams that I had to go through. I had to go through £10,000 to get to this information today, and 4 years of experience to get there as well. If you want something that has it all in one place, so you don't have to waste time in this market trying to learn, it's all there set for you. There's nothing extra that you need to do. It's all there for you to learn. I can give you the tools. You just have to go and apply and build the house, guys. Thank you so much. Head over to my Twitter now, Louis_crypto, and I'll catch you guys there. Peace.